My name's Emma Grant. I am Head of Seller Experience for Europe. And in my role, I currently make sure that sellers have the best possible experience they can on the platform. In order to do that, we need to be able to identify products easily. GTINs are a particular way that we do that. Product identifiers for us are super important to create those horizontal experiences that have different ways of showing products to buyers. So horizontal experiences are things such as product reviews, experiences such as interests that allow us to personalize the experience and for buyers to see things on a horizontal level, so they are equal across all products. GTINs and product identifiers are really important for eBay in order to create great experiences for the buyer. A lot of our horizontal experiences and the ability for buyers to compare prices, for them to find exactly what they're looking for them to have a kind of personalized experience, they're all fueled on the back of being able to identify particular products. GTINs are a great way of us being able to do that. We also ask sellers to provide us with item specifics as well. They also equally allow us to identify products. And both together mean that we can create a really rich and exciting marketplace for our buyers. So product identifiers such as GTINs are also really important in a world where buyers spend a lot of the time shopping by mobile. They allow us to create that simplified shopping experience on mobile and allow our buyers to get to the products as quickly as we can. Also, for sellers themselves, product identifiers make for a much easier listing experience. The addition of a GTIN will allow us on the back end to identify the product, and therefore a lot of the information for that product will be filled in on behalf of the seller, making it a much easier listing process. So another reason that we ask sellers to use GTINs is because it's also really important from a search engine optimization perspective. It allows those products to also come up in the likes of Google Shopping, in Bing, and various other search engines. So it is super important for sellers to use those product identifiers. It also has an impact on our best match, so where we can identify products, and also where all of that information is included, that has an impact on conversion, which can mean the difference between a seller's item floating to the top of search versus floating to the bottom. So super important to use those product identifiers.